It's incredibly frustrating when a phone as advanced as the iPhone 17 fails at its most basic job, letting you know when someone is trying to reach you. This video will show you what to do if your iPhone 17 won't ring for calls or won't play the notification sound when texts and other messages are received. First solution, check the action button. On the iPhone 17, the old-fashioned silent switch that used to be on the side is gone. It has been replaced by this, the action button. The problem is, you might have accidentally pressed this button while it was in your pocket. So this should be the first thing you have to look into. Just press and hold this button. If you see a white bell icon, it means that your phone was actually set to silent mode before, but it's okay now. So calls and notifications should ring after doing it. You don't have to do it again, as it will be set to silent mode again. If you don't want this to happen often, you should set the action button to do other things than this. Just go to Settings, then select Action button. Swipe left to find the action you want to set, or swipe all the way to the left to completely disable it. If this doesn't fix the problem, then try the next solution. Second solution, check the focus trap. This is one of the reasons your phone stays silent. This feature includes Do Not Disturb, Sleep, and Work modes, which, when enabled, will keep your device completely quiet to help you concentrate. To check it, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for a button that has a moon icon or says Do Not Disturb or Work. If that button is glowing or highlighted, it's active. To fix it, just tap that button to turn it off. Once it's dim or gray, your calls and messages should start making noise again. At this point, your iPhone 17 might already be working properly, especially if these features were actually enabled. But if not, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, disable the attention-aware feature. Your iPhone 17 uses the front-facing camera to see if you're looking at the screen. If it sees you're already looking at your phone when a call comes in, it will automatically lower the ringer volume to a whisper because it assumes you've already noticed the notification. If you want your phone to ring loudly, regardless of whether you're looking at it, go to Settings and select Face ID and Passcode. Enter your code, then scroll down and turn off the switch for attention-aware features. Fourth solution, check Silence Unknown Callers. If your phone rings when your friends call but stays silent when a new contact calls, this is likely the culprit. To fix it, go to Settings and scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Find and tap on Phone. Scroll down again and look for Silence Unknown Callers. If this is turned on, your phone will automatically silence any number that isn't saved in your contacts. Turn this off if you want to hear every call that comes in, or at least while troubleshooting this problem. Just enable it again later to block potential scam and spam calls. Fifth solution, check your Bluetooth. I see this happen all the time. Your phone might be ringing, but it's sending the sound to a pair of Bluetooth headphones sitting in your gym bag or a speaker in another room. To fix this, open your control center and tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off temporarily. If your phone starts ringing properly after that, well, at least you know both your iPhone and Bluetooth device communicate properly. Just be mindful of it next time. These solutions are already too many to fix an iPhone 17 that won't ring when calls come in. One of them should be able to address the issue, unless your device has a hardware problem. Now let's go to another issue that's bugging many iPhone 17 users. Notifications won't sound off when messages come in. First solution, check the message notification tones. If your phone rings for calls but stays silent for texts, we need to check your specific notification settings. To check on this, go to Settings and select Notifications. Scroll down and tap Messages. First, make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Second, tap on Sounds and make sure it doesn't say None. Then, pick a loud, clear tone. Third, make sure banners and lock screen alerts are checked. This procedure alone will fix notification issues with your iPhone 17. But after doing all this, and you still can't hear the sound when notifications are received, then it's possible that it's just a minor system glitch. So what you need to do next is to force restart your phone. To do it, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button and do not let go until your device shuts down and turn back on. You only have to release the button once you see the Apple logo on the screen. Once your device has rebooted successfully, you may continue using it and it should work properly. Now before we wrap up, I will answer a couple of the questions sent to us by our viewers that's relevant to our topic today. Question number 1. If my iPhone is on silent or do not disturb, will my morning alarm still go off? Yes. Apple designed alarms to be critical alerts so your device still sounds off on time. Question number 2. Why does my iPhone ring for my family members but stay silent for everyone else? You likely have a focus mode on that is only allowing your allowed people to get through. And that's pretty much it. I hope that I've been able to help you fix your iPhone 17 that won't ring for calls or sound off when messages are received. If this video has helped you, kindly share with your family and friends or watch more of our videos. Thanks for watching.